Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to be doing a curl with a flat iron. This is just a chi. It's really nice because it has the temperature gauge on it. You don't want to be using it at too high of a temperature. I've prepped my hair with Aveda dry shampoo. I will go in, take about a 1-inch section. All the pieces in front of my ears I will turn away from the face. I curl, rotate the curl, and pull the end straight. It will give it that more kind of textured, undone, beachy wave. Flat irons are really good for short to medium hair. I think with longer hair, it just curls the ends. It doesn't really give you that volume at the root that you're looking for. It definitely doesn't have to be perfect. And excuse my color because I do need to get my color redone. So towards the back, I will start taking pieces towards my face, away from my face, alternating to give you that more textured look. So I will continue to do the other side. This side you can see a little better as well. So you'll clamp it, twist away from the face, and then once you get towards that end, you want to pull. So I will just kind of go through the entire bottom section. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm sure I probably had some straighter pieces towards the back. I will take a hairspray in between each layer. My hair is stick straight, so I like to make sure that it's going to stay all day. I'll go through, section my hair off, and do the next layer. You can also just kind of see again how you clamp, twist, and then pull out the end. And that'll give you that nice undone kind of texture to your hair. I guess I don't really take an inch section for every piece. I kind of just at random pick up a chunk and curl that. I wasn't looking for anything super curly. Once again, my hair is super straight, so I like to give it some kind of texture. So I'll kind of just go around, play with the hair, see how it sits, and then recurl any pieces that need to be curled. So now I will go through the top layer. This I have not prepped with anything yet, so I'll go in and show you how this dry shampoo works. So this is the Shampure dry shampoo from Aveda. You tip it upside down, it'll fill the capsule at the top, and then it puffs out. Kind of hard to get to know how to use at first. I feel like people are very comfortable with the aerosol dry shampoos. This one's very nice. I will say caution with darker hair. You do seem to be able to see it a little more throughout the roots. So now I'm just doing the front. I have some very grown-up bangs and layers. I kind of go through here a few times and curl, just till I get that curl that I really like towards my face. So I kind of just play around with that, recurl anything that needs to be recurled, kind of check out the back of my hair, any curl that I don't like, or that kind of needs to be straightened out or recurled or is not curly enough. I'll kind of go through and check it out. Definitely always spray with hairspray. My hair will definitely go straight in like an hour if I do not. So now I kind of will go through, run my fingers, pull out those curls so it's not too curly. I think my right side, our left side, seems to get more of a wave, and I think it is because of how I pull the straightener out of my hair. I feel as though my left side, or this right side, seems to get a lot more curly. I think it just kind of depends what kind of moon I'm in, if I want it a little curlier or just more kind of wavy. It all depends on how you hold your flat iron. I definitely like when the ends are straight, not when they stick out too much, because I have some layers that seem to stick straight out, but once again, just kind of going through fixing any pieces I don't like or how they're sitting. Definitely go through a few times with a hairspray. I also go through with a texture spray. It just helps give my hair a little grit and helps it get a little more volume. My hair likes to hang pretty flat, so that is definitely key for me. I now go through with the Thermal Dry Conditioner from Aveda. This is the Shampure scent. This only goes on my ends. Since I did all this hard work with curling my hair, I don't want to spray anything too damp on it because then it will go completely straight. So this goes on my ends. My ends need a trim right now and have been through quite a bit. So I like to spray it on. It just gives some extra moisture to my dry ends. So that is my video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and all your support. I appreciate you. Thanks, guys.